Hi HLP teachers, this is Tectosa Rob, and in today's video, we're going to go over the elements of directory, RSS feed, and inserting a video. Let's start with your directory. Go ahead and select it. And when you open your directory, you're given the option of putting a title. So let's go ahead and call this test directory. And what I get to do is I get to select people that I work with or myself. And what this does is it puts a link to contact the people that I select. So I'm going to select myself, and I'm going to select my co-teacher, Stacy Ibarra. Save and exit. Let's go ahead and preview this draft. And now what happens is that when I select the little mail envelope icon, a box pops up where people can contact me. So they give the message a title, test message, and they hit submit. This will be then sent to my district email, letting me know that I have a message. Okay, the next item that we're going to go over is insert video. Let's go ahead and select insert video. And insert video allows me to put a video. Let's call this test video. And I get to select the size, the width, and the height. Add a bottom margin. Let's go ahead and select it to see what it looks like. And I get to select a file that's on my computer. Here's a video file. I'm going to open it up. And I'm going to save and exit. Let's go ahead and preview what this looks like. And here's the video. It's a little small, so you might want to play with the width and the height options on the previous screen. Let's hit play. Here's the video. The sound on my computer is off, but it seems to be working okay. In a previous tutorial, we showed you how to link a video from YouTube through the text option on the website. This option is different because it's a video that comes directly from your computer. The last option that we're going to go over is this RSS feed. Now what this does is it looks for articles that are in popular websites. So for example, like CNN or maybe some kind of news site that are always updating their articles, you can link that and their articles directly to your website. So let's go ahead and search for an RSS page. Okay, here it says RSS, Rich Site Summary. And you can look for websites that have an RSS feed. Let's go ahead and look at this list. So Wall Street Journal, Fox News, CNN, Time Magazine, New York Times, there's a lot of sites that are constantly updating the articles that they put on their site. Let's go ahead and title this Test RSS Feed. Let's select the URL and the number of headlines to be displayed. Notice how this URL has these special RSS tags here. If you want a specific site, you may have to check to see if that site has an RSS URL. So just type into your search engine the site and RSS feed or RSS and see if they have the URL and then put it right here. Let's save and exit. And here we go. These are the two main articles that have been updated for CNN. And let's go ahead and publish it and see how this looks in live view. There we go, and let's click on it to see if these links actually work. Takes us to that article. So you might use this for history, science, pretty much any subject if you want to keep your kids current on a certain website. Well, I hope you can put those 3 elements to good use. If you have any questions, the Tech Tostas are always available. Thanks for watching. Bye.